The question says, if a is greater than 0 and discriminant of ax square plus 2bx plus c is negative, then the value of the determinant, which is a, b, ax plus b, b, c, bx plus c, ax plus b, bx plus c and 0 is equal to what? So to start solving the question, first we will apply this operation. Row 3 is row 3 minus this x into r1 plus r2. So x into r1 is ax bx plus ax square plus bx, right? Plus b will be ax plus b, bx plus c, ax square plus b plus bx plus bx plus c, right? So let us write this down. A b, b c, ax plus b and bx plus c, and r3 is ax plus b minus r1 into x plus r2, and bc, this one is bx plus c minus bx plus c, r1 into x plus r2, and under this column will be 0 minus ax square plus bx plus bx plus c, right? So we can write this determinant as a b ax plus b, ax plus b minus ax plus b will be 0, right? So here let us write this row as well. Bx plus c, this is 0. Bx plus c minus bx plus c will give us 0, and this will be minus of ax square plus 2bx plus c. So now we can expand this determinant. So let us do the expansion of the third row of this determinant. On expansion of the third row, we will get 0 minus 0 minus ax square plus 2bx plus c into, we will exclude the elements which are in this particular row and this column. So we will get ac minus b square. Alright, so we can write minus of ax square plus 2bx plus c. Here if we want to write within the bracket b square minus ac, so we have to take the minus sign outside the bracket. So that will be minus b square minus ac. So this negative sign and this negative sign will cancel out and the total term will become positive. So we can write ax square plus 2bx plus c into b square minus ac. Now they have given us the discriminant of this equation. This expression is negative. So let us find discriminant of ax square plus 2bx plus c. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So here b is 2b. 2b whole square minus 4 into a is a and c is c is less than 0. So 4b square minus 4ac is less than 0. If we take 4 common, b square minus ac is less than 0. So 4 goes in the denominator, so it will become b square minus ac is less than 0. Means b square minus ac is a negative term. So this is a negative term, whereas it is given to us in the question that a is greater than 0. The information is given that a is greater than 0, which means that this quadratic is positive, because when a is greater than 0 it will make a upward parabola, so the quadratic will be positive. Hence this whole term is negative. Hence our answer is ax square plus 2bx plus c into b square minus ac is equal to negative term.